Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create glass text effect on PixelLab application. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my PixelLab application on my mobile phone. And wait, I'm going to change the background. I'm going to select black background. Alright, and I'm going to add text. I'm just going to add, for example, glass effect. Okay, and I'm going to change the font guys. I'm gonna go to the font menu and I'm going to select this one. Okay, and I'm going to make it bigger, so I'm gonna increase the size. All right, and then we can go to the color and make the text transparent. Okay, just like this. And then I'm going to go to the outline. I'm going to add outline or stroke. Okay, enable the stroke. And for the stroke, I'm going to select this white stroke. Okay, then you're going to go to the inner shadow and enable it. And then you can choose, you can choose this color, this one, or this one. Okay, then we can customize the offset X and also the offset Y. Okay, you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. Okay, now it's done, and this is the final result. As you can see guys, that the glass text effect has been created. Okay, actually you can also change the color of the reflection if you want, but here I'm using the white color. If you want to change the reflection color, you just need to go back to the inner shadow and you can choose the color that you like this. Okay, alright guys, and that's all the way to create glass text effect in PixelLab application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.